Actually, before I found you guys, I think I was making I was a caregiver for about 7 to 8 years, and it's like I try to go higher than what I was because it got to the extent of me training other staffs, and I see there was no way forward. And outside that, sometimes January I was ill and I had to get out of my job, for surgery. And when I came back, I said, I think I need to change my career. So I was actually looking at um, medical assistants, and I don't know how you guys. My husband was the one that popped. You guys are like, oh, there's this dental assistant just right there. Why do you have to drive all the way down to Glendale and all that? I was like, oh, okay. So when we put it in, I just said, are you serious? Just 100 and something here. I live 167. And that was it. I just grabbed it. And what really attracted me more was Paula, because I just saw that woman online that was like encouraging you and like acting as if it's one family member, all the process I was going through was just going smoothly with her. I'm like, okay, I think this is a good place to be. And eventually when I jumped in there, I saw the instructors were so, the place was so welcoming, though. We roll like brothers and sisters. That was one of the things that really kept me with Unity Dental, which I appreciate and keep appreciating. And hopefully still want to remain with you guys as my career go on, because I'm dreaming getting at the top there. So that's actually what attracted me to you guys. So you have great staffs actually that works for you, which is really good. Makes life easy for every one of us. And the career also was short. It wasn't something too long. And we got help when we needed help. So that's very important.